I'm just really blessed and honored to be here to give you a couple of secrets that I use out on the road with several different artists from rock to pop to R&B to gospel. So, you know, however I could be helpful, I hope this helps you. We could start about how you can use different variations of rudiments that everyone knows, like, you know, single stroke rolls, double stroke rolls, paradiddles, flams, how you can incorporate that into a groove or into a fill that you want to do. Like a lot of people may do a paradiddle as so. As you play a paradiddle, you think of it as more of a snare drum lick, and you play it maybe fast, maybe slow, whatever it is. But if you alter that and you play that same thing, but maybe play it in a different way, meaning off the hi-hat, let me explain. If I play it like that, it sounds totally different. That groove, and you can just make it into your playing. So I'm gonna play a groove, and I'm gonna show you the paradiddle lick. So, like I'm saying, that lick can be used so many different ways in so many different places on the kit, and it's all about being creative.